Now, if we had the Genria special, we now have the Job De Leon special show! Now let's talk about Adamson.
This is awkward.
Now let's talk about Adamson. If you guys don't know, Job was last season's courtside reporter.
2 seasons ago.
2 seasons ago.
3 seasons ago.
Courtside reporter.
He's
for
a very veteran courtside
reporter. So now we should ask him, Job, what ails Adamson?
What ails Adamson? Well, apart from Alex Nuiles' shoulders that keep popping out of the socket, there are really a lot of things that went downhill. If there was a team that suffered the biggest loss this season, it was Adamson. Last year, they were seeded number 2. They were the only team to beat eventual champions Ateneo. Pero this year, ang dami talagang nawala. Aside from the point guard combo that everyone loves to talk about. Like, I personally believe like Janus Lozada, their starting 2 guard, was a big reason why they won a lot.
He's their best defender.
He defended well. Siya, lahat ng lob plays sa kanya lahat yun. All those easy baskets. Austin Manyare, you can criticize him on offense. Pero on defense, ang laking presence talaga niya just because he's that big of an influence. And you take that all away, it's just EJ Camson as your most reliable scorer now. And that's really going to hurt your team.
You left out your buddy Jan Colina, whom I've seen you tweet. I've seen you tweet.
Also, Jan Colina, di kita nakalimutan. I'm going to link this to you on Twitter.
You're
going to see this on Twitter. Tapos, di kita nakalimutan. Like, the heart and soul talaga of this team, si Jan Colina, yung leader talaga sa locker room. Promise.
Tweet mates.
So, you guys, Adamson?
Like, there's been a lack of people stepping up. I mean, besides Jericho Cruz, who's a transferee, who's really been taking over the scoring once Nuiles has, shoulder replacement surgery or whatever. There's really no one else. We haven't seen anyone from the point guard step up. We haven't seen anyone beyond Brundial and Camson play big down low because they don't have anyone playing low.
Exactly.
I saw a tweet the other time that back on Austria was saying, Dad, before when we were playing, what do you call it? Roy Cabrera was the small forward. Ngayon, pinapasentro mo na. So that really says to how their problems on personnel. They just don't have guys.
Well, sa guard spot, they're really lacking on that spot. And wala na si Lester Alvarez and si Cañada. Tapos si Monteclaro, I think they're expecting too much from him na feeling nila siguro kaya na dalhin yung team or something like that. Pero I think they have to go more to their veterans. Tapos supporta na lang yung mga ibang players nila na yan, magkaka-confidence rin yan sila Monteclaro pagdating ng second round or something like that. And sa center spot na nga rin, wala na si Manyara, tapos si Cabrera. Yung shooter mo sa tres, siya rin yung sentro. Patano yun.
So at the end of the day, it's just a lack of manpower on their.
It's also parang there's a lot of things they haven't figured out. Like in the last game, they gave a rookie si Aruf Jul Kipli a lot of time at the point guard spot. They'll play and that's really shuffled. Dati si Etrone yung parang who had 20 points against sino yun? In a game they almost won, I can't forget. Pero he sprained his ankle at the end and then also experimenting with which wingmen to put in. Parang ang dami talagang taong, parang you have a lot of pieces, you don't know exactly how they fit yet.
Okay. So can you say that they have all the they have pieces to the puzzle, they just have to put it together to create a nice picture. Okay?
I think, okay, sa tingin ko, kaya naman eh. The first time I was assigned to Adamson was
Yun na!
Okay, let's look at why I want to talk about the team. You had that team na parang yung frontline mo was Colina, Galinato, and not much behind them, although you still had big bodies. Your main guy whom you were going to was Leo Canuday. Alvarez and Cañada weren't that good yet, but they were good enough. And this is a team that still tried to challenge your Final Four spot. I think it just goes back to Leo Austria. I think he can make it happen again eh. You have the pieces.
Diba? Tito Leo, galing mo to.
Leo system talaga yan eh. Like if you can get the defense together, force some turnovers, get more fast break points, I think there is a way to make it work.
So do you think this season, are they gonna make it to the Final Four?
First, Jen wants to know because Jen has them over NU.
Sabi ko, diba?
Over NU.
Over NU.
So sabihin ko,
hotspot.
Well, naglaban sila nung Sunday and obviously, hindi nangyari. Ikaw yung nagsabing Adamson over NU eh. Natalo ka dun eh. I think it's going to be a really long uphill battle. Parang one of those things na wala, masakit lang talaga. And maybe, better luck next year. Better luck next year.
Okay, so that's what you hear from our very special correspondent from the other side. This is the Job de Leon special. If you have any other comments, please let us know in our comment box.
Job de Leon.